When your red oil pressure light illuminates on the dashboard, you must immediately pull over to a safe location and completely shut off your engine. Turning off the ignition right away is the only proven method to prevent catastrophic internal engine failure. This immediate action saves your motor from grinding itself to pieces. This warning light specifically indicates a severe drop in oil pressure rather than just a low fluid level. The moving metal parts inside your engine are actively losing their crucial lubrication barrier. Continuing to drive will cause extreme friction and heat buildup within seconds. Once you are safely off the highway, pop the hood and let the vehicle cool down for at least 5 minutes. Pull out the engine oil dipstick to verify the current fluid level. You should also inspect the ground underneath the engine bay for any sudden massive oil puddles. If you find that the oil level is completely empty, adding the correct grade of engine oil might temporarily resolve the situation. However, if the dipstick shows a normal oil level, you are facing a mechanical failure. This typically points to a blocked pickup tube, a broken oil pump, or a faulty oil pressure sending unit. Under no circumstances should you restart the engine or attempt to drive the vehicle to a nearby auto parts store. You must call a professional towing service to transport your car to a diagnostic facility. Ignoring this rule will turn a simple tow bill into a complete engine replacement.